Gusto mo bang mag-upgrade ng lifestyle mo or mag-upgrade ng life mo? Anong pagkakaiba niyan? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa episode na ito.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Alam mo, mahilig tayo mag-upgrade. Upgrade ng ating gadgets, upgrade ng ating computer, upgrade ng ating looks. May pagkakaiba ba? Pero sa totoo lang, alam mo, we want to upgrade our life, di ba? O yung pinatawag nating lifestyle. In order for you to upgrade your lifestyle, alam mo kailangan natin gawin? You have to first downgrade your life. Ano ba yan? O, ito po Kasi sa totoo lang, kung panay upgrade lang tayo ng lifestyle, ano po nawawala? Nawawala po ang savings. Minsan, nagagamit ang emergency fund. At minsan, para mag-upgrade ng ating lifestyle, kung di natin kaya, umaasa tayo saan? Sa utang. But, listen, if you choose to downgrade your lifestyle, simpleng phone, simpleng car, talagang hindi ka mangungutang, iipon ka muna bago ka bumili. Diba pag may extra kang pera, ini-invest mo, alam mo, makakabuild ka ng wealth. That is how you upgrade your life. Pag-usapan po natin on how we can upgrade our life by downgrading our lifestyle. First, let's talk about mindset. Mindset po ng upgrading ng lifestyle is instant gratification. Gusto mo agad, ngayon, as in right now. Kaya nga minsan, pagka minamadali mo, gusto mo ang instant, kahit wala kang pera, ano gagawin mo? Uutangin mo yan. Gagawa mo ng paraan. Pero yung downgrading your lifestyle, ang mindset po niyan is delayed gratification. Hindi mangungutang yan, magtitiis yan. Hindi yung utang now, suffer later. Hindi, ang ngayon ginagawa niya, tiis now, pero ginawa later. You ask yourself, ano yung mindset na meron ka? Instant gratification or delayed gratification? Alam mo, pagdating naman sa pag-upgrade ng lifestyle, more income, more expense. Pero pagka ikaw naman nag-downgrade ka ng lifestyle, ito yung mindset mo. More income, more savings, more investment. Pili ka. Gusto mo ba ng stress? Alam mo, pagka nag-upgrade ka ng lifestyle na hindi ka nagpaplano, paycheck to paycheck ka, paano pumasok yun o lalabas? Hindi lang yan, you will constantly worry. Mag-alala ka. Pero, empleyado ka ba at pagod ka na sa sahod, bayad, sahod cycle? Well, break free from that in this free session of mine. You will learn how you can earn extra kahit empleyado ka. Ayusin mo yung money habits mo and start doubling your income by using the IGB concept. Ito yung tinatawag na Income Generator Blueprint. If you're interested, slots are filling fast. So, type IGB right now or just click the link in the comment section. Pag ikaw naman, dina-downgrade ng lifestyle mo, pinipili mo kasi na mawala ang stress mo, sinisecure mo yung future mo, at pinipili mo ang peace of mind. Agree? Type agree kung nag-agree ka, gusto mong peace of mind. And then, pag ikaw ay nag-upgrade ng lifestyle, alam mo, you become a slave. Slave to the latest gadgets, slave to the latest trend, slave to the latest happening. Pero pagka ikaw, dinowngrade mo yung lifestyle mo, magkakaroon ka ng financial freedom. Hindi ka kasi nape-pressure na sumabay sa uso. The last question is, ano ang why mo? Why? Why are you doing it? Pag ikaw nag-upgrade ng lifestyle, probably, you compare yourself, you want to impress others, even if it hurt your finances. Pero pag ikaw, dina-downgrade mo yung lifestyle mo, bakit mo ginagawa to? Kasi gusto mong maganda ang iyong future. You're exchanging short-term pleasure with long-term success. Grabe ka. Kaya nga ang tanong ko po sa inyo, ikaw, anong gusto mo? Ano mas malaga sa'yo? I-upgrade mo ang iyong lifestyle or i-downgrade mo yung lifestyle mo para mag-improve at mag-upgrade later ang iyong life? Kung talagang mahal mo ang iyong sarili, mga kapatid, alam mo gagawin mo, magsasubscribe ka muna sa channel na ito kasi karamihan sa inyo hindi pa nag-subscribe. At syempre naman, hindi masamang magkaroon ng magandang lifestyle pero siguraduhin mo hindi na makapalit ang iyong peace of mind. Remember, it's better to look poor but truly rich rather than to look rich but truly poor. Sana nakatulong tong episode na ito. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe at i-comment mo nga anong pipiliin mong lifestyle. Ikaw, nakikinig. Downgrade your lifestyle or upgrade your life? Pili ka. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.